Shall we? Aha! That's a lot of pink juice! Such a gorgeous shade of black! Very nice. What's going on? Looks like some sort of ticket. Welcome to the sea? Looks like there's only one. Do you even like the beach? Oh, I sure do. Prove it. If you say so. It's on. Whoever finishes the drink first wins. Ready, set, drink! Who's gonna finish first? Man, this thing sure is cold. Huh? How's Emma drinking so fast? No fair! Gotta kick this into high gear. Much better. Well, almost done here. What? This isn't fair! Desperate times call for extra straws. Man, this is harder than it looks. I'm losing control. But I can't let her win. Forget the straws. I sure was thirsty. Just keep drinking. I'll write you a postcard. Ugh, this is so unfair. This sun feels great! Ready for this one? Ta-da! Look at all this candy! And it's not even my birthday! You gonna eat all of those? May as well try, right? But these are no ordinary Kit Kats! It's so pink! Tastes good too! It tastes yummy, huh? I couldn't eat just one! What? Something on my face? Just a little bit. It's like a perfectly pink stash! Right around here! That was a good laugh. But things are getting serious over here. Think I can handle this stuff? Only one way to find out. Ha! Release the beasts! The more the merrier. Spicy gum, here I come! Check it out! I'm pretty tough. So far, so good. Mayday! Something's burning in here! And it may be my tongue! Okay, it's getting better now. Not half bad. But it could use a little something. Magic water, anyone? Now that's refreshing. You sure that's a good idea? I bet I can make this thing huge! Wendy? There! Whoa! It's like a bubblegum piñata! And they're all pink! Cheers to sugar surprises! Let's eat! What do you think's in here? Whoa! Only one thing to do here. First noodle coming right up. Look at that thing go! Just keep slurping! Let's kick this thing into high gear! Ever hear of a fork, Naomi? That mess was totally worth it. What? Just watching, that's all. Now it's my taste buds' turn. Let's see. There sure are a lot in here. Wow! I'm so gonna eat all of them! They're so cute! And they smell fantastic! Yep, like heaven in my mouth! Here comes the first bubble, folks! I'm not popping that thing. Aww. I know how to really impress her. Hold your hats, people! Big bubble coming through! Emma? No! It's all over me now! How get this out of my hair! Mind if I give one a try? Hey, you go! Okay. Voila! This is incredible! Look at all these sprinkles! And there are more gummy balls than I can count! Hold these? I'm gonna let the sprinkles roam free. This way, I can dip the gummy balls in. Rock and roll, baby! It's like a pink overload. Get a load of this thing! Mmm. That's really sweet! I wish I had one. Maybe I do. Or maybe it's even better! Ow! It's hard as a rock! Aw, here. I've got enough to spare. This'll make me feel better. I've got you, girl. What is this thing anyway? It's not food. It's bubbles! Hey, Naomi! Whoa! Are those bubbles? Keep them coming, Emma! They're just so beautiful! I want to pop them all! Think I can give it a try now? 1, 2, 3, blow! This is way better than a snack! Huh? Gummies! Huh?
Oh, hey, try this better. Wow! Wow! Huh? No? No. Wow. Donuts! Thank you. Wow! Tickets! We're going to the concert! Together!